Today is lunch day, and we're leveling up together. Did you know that the queen always starts on her color? White queen on a white square, and the black queen on a black square. Why? Because position matters. Great leaders know where they shine and know how to move with confidence. When you're in the right place, your power explodes, and you're not alone. Here at Livingthelaws, we grow, win, and celebrate as one community. So hit the subscribe button and tap that bell. Don't miss our next move. I'm Larry, and I value your time. We are Livingthelaws. And remember, think before you move, and make your next move your best move.